Welcome to Knowledge Time classes. Let us look at the third sum of exercise 2.2 of chapter polynomials. What is the question? We have to find the zeros of this polynomial and verify the relationship between the zeros. So first we will write this polynomial in the standard form. Steps are 6x square minus 7x minus 3. So what is your a? Comparing it with ax square plus bx plus c. Whatever is the coefficient of x square is your a. So a is equal to 6, b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to minus 3. So you got the values of a, b and c. Next, what was our step? We will write minus b upon a. So what is minus b upon a? What is the value of minus b upon a? It is minus of minus 7 upon 6, which is equal to 7 upon 6. This we will name as equation 1. Next is c upon a. So what is the value of c? C upon a. What is the value of c? It is minus 3 divided by a. What is a? It is 6. So again it is 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. This is equation 2. Okay. Next step, we will find the zeros. So to find zeros, what do? We equate this equation to 0 and factorize it. So it will be 6x square minus 7x minus 3 is equal to 0. Multiply 6 with minus 3. Answer is minus 18. What did I say? Whenever the multiplication answer is negative, that means you will have to subtract two factors. Whenever the multiplication answer is positive, you will have to add two factors. So now, by multiplying two factors, you have to get 18, and by subtracting, you have to get 7. So what will be the factors? 9 and 2. 9 minus 2 will be 7, and 9 into 2 will be 18. So 9 and 2 are the factors. But whenever factors, you have to subtract, both the factors will have opposite sign. So now which factor which have which sign? The sign of the middle number will go to the bigger number. So here middle number is minus, so 9 will take minus sign and this is plus 2. Now again verify, what is minus 9 plus 2? Minus 7. And what is minus 9 into plus 2? Minus 18. So it is correct. So therefore 6x square minus 9x plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Out of this you take 3x common, x minus 3 plus 3x common 2x minus 3 plus 1 common 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So therefore you get 3x plus 1 and 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore 3x plus 1 is equal to 0, or you get 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore 3x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1 upon 3, or 2x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3 upon 2. So what are the two values of alpha and beta? Alpha is equal to minus 1 upon 3 and beta is equal to 3 upon 2. Then what do? We add alpha plus beta. What is the value of alpha plus beta? It is minus 1 upon 3 plus 3 upon 2. Either you do the cross multiplication or you take the LCM. 3, 2, LCM is 6 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So this becomes minus 2 plus 9 divided by 6. So this becomes 9 minus 2, 7 upon 6. Name this as equation 3. What is alpha into beta? Alpha into beta is minus 1 upon 3 into 3 upon 2. 3 gets cancelled. Answer is minus 1 upon 2, equation 4. Now look at equation 1. What is minus b upon a? 7 upon 6. And what is equation 3? Alpha plus beta is also 7 upon 6. So can I say alpha plus beta is minus b upon a? So therefore from equation 1 and 3, I can say alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a, and from equation 2 and 4, what does equation 2 say? C upon a is minus 1 upon 2, And what does equation 4 say? Alpha into beta is minus 1 upon 2. So both are minus 1 upon 2. That means alpha into beta is equal to C upon A. So therefore alpha into beta is equal to C upon A. Hence we have verified the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. Okay, so we will be following these steps only. We will first write the equation in the standard form. Find A, B and C. Find the value of minus B upon A. Find the value of C upon A. Write them as 1 and 2. Then you will find the zeros of the polynomial by factorizing the polynomial, and the two zeros which you will get, you will name them as alpha and beta. Then you will find alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. And then you will see that alpha plus beta is equal to minus B upon A and alpha into beta is C upon A. This way you will solve the sum. This sum will come for 4 marks. So please follow the steps properly. Kindly note down this sum. Thank you.